Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify this given expression here on the board. Now, to simplify this completely, you are going to apply difference of two squares in the numerator. And we have this x squared minus 9. This is equivalent to x squared minus 3 square. 3 square gives us 9. Then recall that if you have a square minus b square, that is equivalent to into a plus b into a minus b. We are going to apply this identity right here. And if you do that, you're going to have here that x square minus 3 square equivalent to into x plus 3 into x minus 3. This is the simplified form of this expression in the numerator. Then in the denominator, we have this x squared minus x minus 6. Here, you come directly to 6, look for two possible factors of 6, so that when to multiply, it will give you minus 6. And when you add up these two same factors, it will give you minus 1, which is the coefficient of x. Now, so let these factors be minus 3 and plus 2. If you multiply, minus 3 times plus 2 give minus 6. If you add up minus 3 plus 2, that will give you minus 1. Then open two parentheses like this. Since this is x squared, insert one x here and insert one here. Then introduce each of these factors into each bracket. You may decide to put minus 3 here and plus 2 here. And this is a simplified form of this expression in the denominator. Therefore, the old expression becomes into x plus 3 into x minus 3, then divided by into x minus 3, then into x plus 2. Then we are going to cancel out like terms. You can see that x minus 3 will cancel out x minus 3, and the expression becomes x plus 3 divided by x plus 2. And this is the simplified form of this expression here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.